Opa, a taste of Greece. Hey there, food fanatics! Today we're diving headfirst into the delicious world of Greek cuisine, specifically tackling two iconic dishes, gyros and tzatziki. These dishes are not just food, they are a celebration of Greek culture and tradition. Picture this: tender, flavorful meat, expertly seasoned and cooked to perfection on a vertical rotisserie, all wrapped in a fluffy pita bread and topped with a creamy, tangy sauce. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. That's the magic of the gyro, folks, and trust me, it's a culinary experience you won't soon forget. Each bite is a harmonious blend of textures and flavors that dance on your palate. But wait, there's more. No gyro is complete without its trusty sidekick, Tzatziki sauce. This sauce is the unsung hero that elevates the gyro to new heights. This refreshing concoction, made with yogurt, cucumbers, garlic and herbs, adds a burst of flavor and a delightful coolness that perfectly complements the richness of the gyro meat. It's like a refreshing breeze on a warm day. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, fear not. These recipes are surprisingly simple to recreate at home. With a few fresh ingredients and a bit of enthusiasm, you'll be making gyros and tzatziki like a pro. So, grab your aprons and let's embark on this delicious Greek adventure together. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound culinary skills. Before we fire up the stove, let's gather our Greek God-worthy ingredients. Don't worry, this isn't a grocery list from Mount Olympus. You can find most of these items at your local supermarket. For the gyro meat, we'll need ground lamb, ground beef, onion, garlic, oregano, paprika, cumin, salt and pepper. These ingredients, combined in perfect harmony, create the irresistible flavor profile that defines gyro meat. Now for our tangy tzatziki sauce, we'll need Greek yogurt, cucumber, garlic, fresh dill, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Greek yogurt provides the base, while cucumber adds a refreshing crunch. Garlic brings a hint of pungency, and fresh dill, a staple in Greek cuisine, provides a burst of herby aroma. Remember, folks, fresh ingredients are key to unlocking maximum flavor. All right, let's get our hands dirty. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure. First up, the star of the show, the gyro meat. This is where the magic begins. In a large bowl, combine ground lamb, ground beef, finely chopped onion, minced garlic, oregano, paprika, cumin, salt and pepper. These ingredients will give our gyro its signature flavor. Using your hands, mix everything until well combined. Don't be afraid to get in there and really work the mixture. Now, here's where things get interesting. We're going to shape this meat into something truly special. We're going to shape this meat mixture into a beautiful, towering loaf. This will be the foundation of our gyro tower. Divide the meat mixture into 4 equal portions. This ensures even cooking and perfect layers. On a sheet of plastic wrap, shape each portion into a flat, rectangular patty. This step is crucial for building our tower. Stack the patties on top of each other, using the plastic wrap to help you lift and layer. This will create the layers of our gyro tower. Once stacked, tightly wrap the meat tower in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This step is key for the flavors to meld together. This allows the flavors to meld and the meat to firm up, making it easier to slice later on. Patience is key here for the perfect gyro. While the meat chills, let's whip up our tangy tzatziki sauce. Grab your Greek yogurt and give it a good stir. This helps loosen it up and ensures a smooth sauce. Next, grate the cucumber using the large holes of a box grater. Gather the grated cucumber in a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out any excess moisture. This prevents the sauce from becoming watery. Now, in a medium bowl, combine the yogurt, grated cucumber, minced garlic, chopped fresh dill, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Stir everything together until well combined. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the sauce chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and develop beautifully. Time to cook our gyro meat. This is where the magic happens, transforming our seasoned meat mixture into delicious gyro slices. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. This ensures that our meatloaf cooks evenly and thoroughly. Place the chilled meatloaf on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This helps prevent sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. This ensures the meat is fully cooked and safe to eat. Once cooked, remove the meatloaf from the oven and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This resting period is crucial for maintaining the meat's juiciness. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in juicier and more flavorful gyro slices. Patience here pays off with every bite. While the meat rests, warm your pita bread. This step ensures that your gyros are served with soft, warm bread. You can do this by wrapping them in aluminum foil and placing them in the oven for the last 10 minutes of the meat's cooking time, ensuring they are perfectly warm when the meat is ready, or by warming them quickly in a skillet or on a griddle. This method gives the bread a nice, slightly crispy texture. Now for the fun part, assembling our gyros. This is where all our efforts come together. Slice the rested meatloaf thinly against the grain. This helps ensure tender, easy-to-bite pieces. Lay a warm pita bread flat and top it with a generous portion of the sliced gyro meat, the more the merrier. Drizzle generously with our chilled Tzatziki sauce. This creamy, tangy sauce is the perfect complement to the savory meat. Feel free to get creative with additional toppings like chopped tomatoes, onions, and even some fresh herbs for an extra burst of flavor. Or even a sprinkle of feta cheese. This adds a salty, tangy kick that elevates the entire dish. One of the beautiful things about gyros is their versatility. Feel free to experiment with different flavor profiles and ingredients to create your own signature gyro for a spicier kick. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce to your tzatziki sauce. For a vegetarian option, substitute the meat with grilled portobello mushrooms or halloumi cheese. You can also get creative with the pita bread. Try using whole wheat pita bread for a nuttier flavor, or go for smaller pita pockets for a fun, appetizer-sized version. Don't be afraid to experiment and make this recipe your own. Gyros and tzatziki are more than just delicious dishes in Greece. They're an integral part of the country's culinary heritage. Often enjoyed as a quick and satisfying meal on the go, gyros are a street food staple, found in countless small eateries and street vendors across Greece. Tzatziki, with its refreshing flavors and ancient roots, is a beloved condiment with a long and storied history. Sharing food is a central part of Greek culture, and gyros and tzatziki are no exception. These dishes are meant to be enjoyed with family and friends, bringing people together through the simple pleasure of good food and good company. So gather your loved ones, share a laugh and a gyro or two, and savor the flavors of Greece in every bite.